This is for anyone who is having a steering issue with 5th gen Ram 3500. This one's 2020 Mega Cab Limited. So the steering wheel, if you put your hand on the center of it, if you turned about this far, you heard a click right there, a click, click. And that happened at slow speeds, usually maneuvering back, forward, or just around the parking lot. At higher speeds, the issue I was having is the truck tried to go to the left. And also when braking hard, like panic braking, initial brake application at high speed, it would steer left. The steering wheel would go about this far left. You had to counter steer to keep it straight. This happened basically as soon as we got the truck. And we tried to resolve this multiple times and from multiple dealers. Nobody was able to really fix anything. They said the left caliper was grabbing on the left side. They replaced the caliper. That didn't help. And then also what the truck was doing is if you roll into the left turn, coming out of the left turn, it would stick. It would kind of hesitate to center itself. So there was an issue there as well. They tried to do alignment, and they said the truck would not align. They weren't sure why, and they recommended getting new tires. These are only got 7,000 miles on them. I didn't see why I would need new tires. They rotated the tires between the left and right, even threw them in the back. It didn't help. But anyways, finally was able to resolve this. One thing they did, they replaced the steering gear in the steering gearbox. You can't see where that is, but those who know, they thought that's going to solve it. It didn't. Then they replaced the track bar. That's the track bar right here, this part, with an orange sticker on it. That didn't help. And they were getting ready to contact Chrysler and have their specialists look at it, but they finally realized that the sound was coming from here. This is the drag link on the front passenger side. There is a ball joint here that was manufactured defectively, the ball itself. So they had to replace the ball. They replaced the entire drag link right here on this side, and that immediately solved the issue. Now you couldn't just shake it when it was sitting like this with all the weight, but when they had it lifted and they tracked it down, and they were able to detect that there was an issue here, basically. So they replaced this part, and all of it immediately stopped. The clicking stopped. The truck aligned properly. Now it doesn't turn left anymore. When you brake, it goes straight. It doesn't hesitate to roll out of the turn. So everything's been fixed. I've been driving like this for quite a while, and it's been annoying as hell. And I'm glad that they finally figured this out. So for anyone having issues similar to this, a click on the steering wheel. It's coming from the front. When you go about this far, stationary or moving slowly, that was the issue for me.